हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक है मुग़ल एम्पायर, जो कि हिस्ट्री का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, जिससे आपके एग्ज़ाम में हर साल क्वेश्चंस बनते ही बनते हैं, जिसके आज हम टॉप 40 MCQs को थ्रू करेंगे। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। बाबर वॉज born in the year, and the answer is 1483. Second question, Babar came to India originally from, and the answer is Farghana. Third question, Babar was the ruler of which dynasty? And the answer is Mughal. Fourth question, Babar was succeeded to the Mughal throne by, and the answer is Humayun. Fifth question, the dead body of Babar by his own choice lies buried in, and the answer is Kabul. Sixth question, name the Rajput general who bravely fought the Battle of Khanwa before losing to Babur. And the answer is Rana Sangha. Seventh question, in which year did Babur invaded India? And the answer is 1526. Eighth question, in the Battle of Panipat, Babur faced the armies of, and the answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Ninth question, the battle between Babur and Rana Sangha was fought at, and the answer is Khanwa. 10th question, Babur's autobiography called Baburnama, which is reckoned among the most enthralling and romantic works in the literature of all times, is written in, and the answer is Turkey. 11th question, Babur was originally the ruler of, and the answer is Farghana. 12th question, where did Babur died? And the answer is Agra. 13th question, when Chittor was captured by Akbar, the Rana of Mewar was, and the answer is Rana Uday Singh. 14th question, when Babur invaded India in 1525, Humayun was the governor of, and the answer is Badakhshan. 15th question, Baburnama was written by, and the answer is Babur. 16th question, Humayun was the ruler of which dynasty? And the answer is Mughal. 17th question, Humayun was born in the year, and the answer is 1508. 18th question, Humayun died in the year, and the answer is 1556. 19th question, Humayun Nama was written by, and the answer is Gulbadan Begum. 20th question, who constructed Humayun's tomb in Delhi? And the answer is Haji Begum. 21st question, Humayun had to run away from India after he was defeated in the battle, and the answer is Kannauj. 22nd question, whom did Akbar defeat in the second battle of Panipat in 1556? And the answer is Hemu Vikramaditya. 23rd question. Akbar suppressed the rebellion of Abdullah Khan, the governor of. And the answer is Malwa. 24th question. Akbar married a bride from. And the answer is Udaipur. 25th question. Akbar's nurse-in-chief was. And the answer is Maham Anga. 26th question. The main outlet for foreign trade during Akbar's reign was the port of. And the answer is Surat. 27th question. Akbar's teacher was. And the answer is Abdul Latif. 28th question. The original name of Tanzeen, the greatest magician of the court of Akbar, was. And the answer is Ramantanu Pandey. 29th question. Akbar was the ruler of which dynasty? And the answer is Mughal. 30th question. Of the following, with whom Akbar did not come into contact? And the answer is Buddhists. 31st question. In the year 1582, Akbar took the momentous step of. And the answer is propounding our new religion, Din-e-Ilahi. 32nd question. Hemu, whom Akbar defeated in the second battle of Panipat, was. And the answer is Minister of Muhammad Adil Shah. 33rd question. Akbar had constructed several forts which did not include the one of. And the answer is Red Fort. 34th question. To whom did Akbar give the title Mian? And the answer is Tanzeen. 35th question. The Mansabdari system introduced by Akbar was borrowed from the system prevalent in. And the answer is Mongolia. 36th question. The designation Amil during Akbar's reign denoted a. And the answer is revenue official. 37th question. Akbar defeated Durgavati and captured. And the answer is Gondwana. 38th question. Hakim Mirza, the younger brother of Akbar, was the viceroy of. And the answer is Kabul. 39th question. Which of the following forts was not built by Akbar? And the answer is Gwalior Fort. And the last 40th question. A renowned Jain scholar who was greatly honored by Akbar was. And the answer is Hari Vijaya. तो ये थे मुगल एम्पायर के टॉप 40 इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है हु ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज द बायोग्राफर ऑफ अकबर। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।